Good morning, friends. Today, I welcome you everyone in this new video that we have released under the series Latest News. Today, we are going to cover four major news or the highlighted news of the day. First is regarding the Ramco system. Then we will be talking about the US inflation numbers. Afterwards, the third news we are going to discuss will be Gensol orders for the financial year 25, and the very last and the fourth news that's the one of the debatable news going so far in the media, that is Indian housing bond to invest or not, or what the prospect with that. Before we start the video, I would like to humbly request everyone to subscribe our channel, that is a stock news, and I think with this we will start with our very first news of the day. The very first news that we have today is Ramco System that has surged or soared 18% after the deal cracked with the Korean airline. This the amount or the amount for this project has not been clear so far, but the sources has confirmed that it's a multi-million dollar deal with the Korean's largest airline, which has decided to go for the expansion and the replacement of the legacy system with the Ramco owned aviation software in upcoming years. This has shown a great impact in the Ramco system software shares, and the positive impact has turned out with the 18% surge in the CMP, or the current price, the market price. Going with the second news of the day, that is your US inflation number has been released for the March 2024, and the expectation for the Fed cut rate has been sacked with the numbers released by the US government. The March number has increased 0.4%, with the year-on-year basis increase with 3.8%. The Feb 2024 year-on-year number from inflation, or the CPI number, has inflated from 3.2 to the 3.5 CPI for the month of March 2024. The following impact, what impact we can imagine from this news? The US has a really close ties when we talk about the economy and the impact of the decision made by the government, or those statistical numbers, especially the inflation number, job numbers, and etc. towards the Indian stock market has been prominent throughout the years. With the with this inflation number exceeding the expectation of the Fed rate that's supposed to be cut down by the March 24 will be delayed few months more to control the inflation number, and significantly impacting the uptrend growth rate or trend in the Indian stock market as well. This will act somewhere as an de-accelerator, or will increase the grip to slow down the trend that is observed in the Indian market so far. So the people invested should be bit more cautious for a month or two, until unless the proper inflation number comes in upcoming months. People should be put a pause before making any investment calls. Going with the third news of the day, that is your Gensol Engineering. So Gensol Engineering has released the order book of 1,783 crores for the financial year 25. The management has shown a positive reflection of the upcoming financial year, with a strong order book, and the growth in the company, as well as the growth that is visible for the years, visible for the industry and the sector in upcoming years. This particularly will give the boost or motivation to the people who are invested in Gansol, or the sectors like EV sectors, or the solar panels sectors, or renewable source of sectors as well. Moving with the very last news, that is your National Housing Bank. So the people or the subscriber know this news is something we always the last news is something we always have a more significance in terms of overall impact or overall impact in the economy or overall impact on an individual stock. With today's news, that is NHB, National Housing Bank has raised 3,000 crore bonds on April 12th. So they are going to raise the 3,000 crores of bonds through direct bonds of 1,000 crores and green shoe option of rupees 2,000 crores. So why this news is important? This news become important in terms of the housing growth in India, in terms of infrastructure growth in India. This clearly signifies the real intention and the direction in which the government is going to head for the next coming years. And if you have gone through my previous video, I have been emphasizing that to become one of the greatest or the largest economy in the world, India should or will be investing more heavily on the infrastructure. And these kinds of news give the boost or the act as the true barrier for those fact or those estimation, those streams as well. So how we are going to leverage these kinds of information? So we can leverage this through investing or identifying the stock that are directly involved with the construction or infrastructure, like cement or pipes or wires, etc. Or we can also think of the stocks that are working towards the finances of housing and those stuff. And I think I have covered. I think there are multiple stocks that's available in the Indian stock market that will be directly impacted with this news and can give a massive returns in coming years. With this, I think I will wrap today's video. But before I end the video, I would like to request everyone to subscribe our channel and turn the bell notification on for the future videos and the latest information. Uh, Thank you.